I'm at Lorie Wilson Park. Beautiful scenery today. Let's look at that sun up there. It's a nice park and beach combination. So I rolled my bike down. Oh, it's just so peaceful. They got areas you can sit. I'm about to walk down to the beach. Or if you don't like the beach, you can just basically take a walk through the park. This is where I Dream a Genie was filmed. My favorite show from the 1960s. Just gonna give a little walking tour of the park. It's so peaceful. Of course, I am on the lookout for alligators. But I doubt if gators are near salt water. So I should be okay over here. But this is just the entrance area. Bathrooms and stuff like that. You see a lot of little wildlife. Lizards, turtles. But that beach, that's where I'm headed. It's great for family get-togethers. Picnic tables. And the good thing about Florida, this weather is year-round. No snow. Lord have mercy. Oh, I just love it, love it, love it. Love it. There's hotels along the way, too. This is a quieter beach. Look at that sand. Oh, beautiful. There's a lot of people. But not as many as Cocoa Beach. This is Lorie Wilson Park Beach. Oh, it's so gorgeous out here. Oh my God. My dream come true. It's a beautiful day. Gorgeous.